shovel enough to get out of the driveway, both sides. So now we're on our way. Seems like the main roads are okay. We're traveling smooth at about 40 miles per hour. I did the conversion for you guys. But we're gonna see when the small streets are pretty bad, but the big streets are okay. Just a little update. Let me turn this down. This is snow on the ground. I'm kind of screwed right now. He's taken. Main roads are okay, but literally the side roads, when you park, you pretty much have no choice but to just park your car on the side and walk to wherever you want to go. People are, it's at least to my shin, the snow. It's pretty bad as of right now. But I'm still hitting a good 40 right here. So it's not all that bad on the main road. But once you get to the small ones, that's where the trouble starts. That's a Domino's pizza driver. Here. This isn't worth it today. I'm driving pizzas, delivering pizzas in a snowstorm. God. This guy trying to fix his car. No snow tires on that one. The pizza's being delivered. Welcome to Toronto, I guess. Nobody's moving. This is actually the best update as of right now. They plowed the back of our store. The wind's blowing, but the snow you can see is pretty thick. It's going on one delivery right now. I'm going to try it. Hopefully something will happen. I smashed into a snowbank earlier and I dented the front of my car, just the body, but I was able to move that back in place. See this? This was push that back. Well, it's just before 5 o'clock right now, Eastern time. Snow's not coming down as heavy as it was before, but now it's all about getting the roads all cleaned up. There are some places that still haven't plowed yet. Like this is one of the like this has really small streets, and they plowed pretty much everything here, so it's not bad. I'm going 20 miles right now, which is not bad. But there's been times where I've stopped. See, I don't even stop at stop signs, I just go right through. But I'm gonna see what goes on at night. I have the camera with me. But pretty bad snowfall. No one's like driving, no one's really doing anything. You see some people struggling to even walk through, like I'm gonna get myself into an accident. It's alright. This is what it's come down to. Having to park my car in a plowed place. Having to walk to these cheap asses who don't tip anything. They're like the Big Show. They just give me a tip to get a better job. Okay, next place. What are you supposed to do just before midnight when you're stuck in a road that hasn't been plowed yet? I don't know what's wrong with these people or who they pissed off, but this guy's probably wondering what I'm filming. I ain't filming. It's just after 1 a.m. right now, and snow's clearing up for the most part, but as of right now, it's not, there are still some small streets that haven't been plowed yet, and then, I don't know, what are you gonna do? So it's 3 a.m. right now in the morning. You can see here, my lazy neighbors don't shovel their driveway. This is just an idea of how much snow we really had. That's a normal, this isn't even shoveled either, but compared to that, I'll put my foot in there just for you guys to laugh at. it's still going. So I would say just about where my knee is, that's